Hey, what's up guys? This is Zach here, and today we're gonna do some exploring. And yeah, we left our stuff here. I've heard by somebody that there used to be a bunker here. And okay guys, I found the bunker. Oh shit. Yo, come here. Dude. What the heck?
Whoa, that's creepy.
Dude.
That's animal?
Yeah, that is some sort of animal. Dude, guys, comment down below if you know what animal this is.
I think we found the hut.
Yeah, I did. We did.
Looks like someone,
Yeah, I got 7 minutes on my phone.
it looks like someone put dirt all over it.
Yeah, it looks
and there's a piece of beehive over there.
Yeah, there used to be a beehive here.
Yeah.
You see
I
it?
remember when Zach was a child, he used to...
Yeah, I used to play with this. I used to play in it.
This would be right here, huh?
So many acorns. This is another thing. This was another reason why.
Like Fallout.
I'm gonna try. I mean, this was my childhood.
Right. So we got
But still, comment below what this is.
Yeah, that's actually really
Some
weird.
sort of animal.
That's really weird.
It is.
I'm gonna be exploring.
All right, let's continue.
Let's look for wood.
Dude, there's wood everywhere.
I know.
Wood right there.
No,
There's
let's look for like planks.
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 Dude, what if someone's gonna steal our bike, my dude?
No one's gonna steal it.
All right.
We got this. We're okay.
Yeah, you never know.
Yeah, you never know.
There used to be another part of the hut right here.
Yeah.
Yo.
There.
Right there.
Is that the other part?
Yeah.
Whoa, yo.
Whoa. Dude, I found more.
I did.
That looks like a goat. Dude, does that spine? That's a spinal cord. That's a feather.
This is honestly really weird.
Hide.
What's that?
Dude. I think this is a goat.
It must be. It can't be something different.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not touching that.
Yeah, that's honestly, I wish I never found that.
Yeah, same. Another feather.
This is honestly really crazy.
Yeah, I found more pieces of wood. No, it's not a bunker. It's a part of a hut. I found more pieces of wood here.
Almost the same thing. What?
Old mattress.
Oh!
Oh, that's disgusting.
That's a cat.
That's a cat.
No.
That is scary.
That's sad.
That's sad in a scary way. Anyways, I found a dead cat at my house too.
We can use a white thing for a different roof, like a taller roof. Looks like this is the end of the road.
Yeah, this looks like the end.
You got it? Yes.
Dude. I found.
Oh!
Okay.
The bunker.
I remember when this was standing up. This used to be like a little bench. Used to be like a little bench.
So it's all been abandoned.
Yeah.
Really?
I remember when this was standing up. Hey, free hose.
You already said moles. Alright, do you want us to collect some? Look it over there. We can use some.
What? What?
I don't want to say.
Say what?
Listen. Hey, come here. Zach.
Yeah. Dude, I don't want to build it right now, my dude.
Why?
I just want to go home.
Why?
I've seen enough dead animals today to the point where I'm just like frightened, okay?
Yeah, I know, me too. But that doesn't mean we can give this up.
Yeah. I think we could build something out of all of these.
Honestly, I think we should start remaking the hut.
Nah.
Yeah. Yo, you know what would be sick?
What?
We can make a bunker in there. Get a shovel one day and just start digging.
Dude, my dad made a bunker already on the other side of the field.
I wish I know that.
Dude, remember how there's a hose right there?
Yeah.
Dude, look. Lines. There used to be more, and it used to go to water, I think. I remember when this thing used to be a lake. Even though I never.
Urbita Lake.
Yeah, it was Urbita Lake.
That's how they got the name Urbita Elementary School.
Yeah. Andrew, why'd you give up our school? Well, your school. My old one.
Found a bottle.
Found a bottle of beer. I think one of the best ways how to end this video, throw a bottle of beer.
That's very amazing.
Alright. I wish it broke though.
That was to the point where that was really amazing.
Alright, gotta watch out for. Dude, I saw 3 animals, okay? You gonna make sure it breaks?
Yep. Back up.
Back up?
Back up. The wooden. Back up. Oh.
Dude, I got it.
I got it. Oh.
Wait.
You know what? Oh, that's
Holy
What? Alright, how about
Dude,
tomorrow?
where did the goat go? Where's the animal? I don't see